shocked reaction style videos like these constantly go viral. This video got 1.5 million views. But paying $200 for a UGC creator to make a video like this makes zero sense, especially if you're scaling. That's why in this video I'll show you how to copy these shocked, surprised, or even crying reaction style hooks and use them to promote your app. First, what you need to do is find someone making these expressions. For example, this creator doing these shocked, surprised style reactions. What you want to do then is copy the URL of the video and download the video. You can do that with Instagram Reel Downloader. Once you download the video, it should take you like 20 seconds. Go to the app called VidCloner. VidCloner is the app we'll use to replace the avatar in the video with our own avatar, meaning we'll be able to remake UGC, any style reactions, clips, whatever we want, and reuse them for our own app. So go to this app, click sign up, upload your avatar, basically the person you want to use in the video or just generate with AI. Once you do that, go to the create tab. Here, click upload. If you're using TikTok, you can upload TikTok URL, but since we downloaded the video, click upload and upload the video. Then select the avatar you want to replace in the video and click clone video. Now, if you want to remove the text from the video, because here we have the text, then write in the system prompt, remove text. Otherwise, if you're cloning full videos, you may want to leave the text in. And once you clone, go to the videos tab. Here you see I did this multiple times before and cloned these exact videos. Here I did it with text, but I replaced this woman right here with an AI avatar of my own. And this works for everything, for dance videos, for crying hooks, for any motion style videos or remaking videos completely. Like here, you have an exam tomorrow and just found this, right? It's a full video remade using the remake feature. It works for memes, faceless, dance videos, whatever it is. So go to vidcloner.com and try this out. Peace.